Question 5 is about describe the structure of seminiferous tubule. So where are seminiferous tubules found? Seminiferous tubules are found inside the testes and they produce sperm by the process of spermatogenesis. So let's start by writing that seminiferous tubules are highly coiled tubular structure present in testicular lobules of testes. So this comes location. Now, the wall of each seminiferous tubule is lined by germinal epithelium. Now, going ahead, majority of cells of this epithelium are cuboidal. Note this. What are they made up of? Cuboidal epithelium cell called male germ cells or spermatogonia. But a few larger cells are called Sertoli cells. This is important. Emphasis on Sertoli cells or substenticular cells. The male germ cells grow into primary spermatocyte which undergo meiosis and produce spermatozoa. So students, what are seminiferous tubules? So seminiferous tubules are highly convoluted structure or coiled tubes found in testicular lobules of testes. What are they made up of? The wall of each seminiferous tubule is made up of or lined by germinal epithelium. Majority of cells of this epithelium are cuboidal or are known as male germ cells or spermatogonia. But a few large cells are called Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells or substenticular cell. The male germ cells grow into primary spermatocytes and which undergo meiosis to produce sperm. So three things that are important is mention where they are found, what they are made up of, has Sertoli cells, and lastly its function, that is to produce spermatozoa. So here these three things are very important. Okay students.